A lone penguin waddles across the icy Antarctic landscape, scanning the horizon for his lost colony. The wind howls, but he pushes forward determined. Suddenly, a distant call echoes, familiar, hopeful. He turns, heart racing, and slides down a snowy slope, flippers outstretched, until he spots them huddled near a frozen ridge. With a joyful squawk, he rejoins the group, nuzzling his mate as the sun peeks over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the frost, a small triumph in a vast frozen world. Kindly share and subscribe for more amazing videos.